Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing my chibi version of Kinger from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw the first one with the circle. And now let's draw the other eye next to it on the right, but lower, like this. Next, inside each of the eyes, let's add another circle and try to keep them towards the inside. Now let's add another smaller circle inside on the top left. And then another curve around in the center. And then color these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top next to the left eye and let's draw a curve over, stopping here. Then underneath on the right, let's angle it down to the eye and continue it below like this. And then another angled line down from the left. And now let's close off the bottom with a curve. Next, let's hop back up and let's draw an angle up on both sides and a curve across the top. Next, on top of the head, let's draw a rectangle shape. And now on top, let's add the cross. Let's start with 2 lines up. Angles out from both sides. Then bring it up. And angle it back in, leaving a gap in the center. Now on top, let's add another set of angles up. And a line across the top. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the neck. Let's start on the bottom left of the head and let's draw a curve down and bring it up on the other side. Now underneath, let's step in and let's draw a small line down on both sides. And then another curve across the bottom. And again, from the sides, let's draw another curve underneath and back up. And then one more set of small lines down underneath. Next, let's hop outwards and let's draw a curve down to the center from both sides, meeting at a point. And that's it for the neck. Now let's draw the fur collar. Let's start on top near the eyes and let's draw a curve out and bring it in. And the same on the left side. And let's leave a gap in the middle. Now for that center V shape, let's draw a curve over to the left and an S-shaped curve down. And let's do the same thing next to it on the right, but stopping a little bit higher. Now for the bottom lines, let's curve it out to the right from the top line and also the bottom. And then close off the end with a curve. Now on the bottom left, let's draw another 2 curves out. And then close off the end again. And lastly, for the body on the sides, let's draw another set of wavy lines down on both sides like this. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move in and let's draw the pattern on the fur. Inside the fur, let's draw some squiggly lines to make some spots. And that's it for the body. Now let's move out and draw the hands. Let's start on the sides and let's draw an oval. And the same on the right. Now underneath from the inside, let's draw a curve down and back up for the thumbs. And then one more larger curve for the rest of the fingers. And then add 2 curves inside. And that's it for Kinger. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!